First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where the steering is, underneath the steering, there is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you will see the hood losing its grip. Right where the logo is, underneath the logo is a lever. Lift up the hood a little bit and you will see the lever visible right there. Push the lever upwards and then lift up the hood. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press the lever upside and then lift up the hood. While holding the hood, we grab the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, right there is the position for the engine air filter. You see there are two brackets that needs to be pulled down. We'll need to put both brackets down one by one. Here I'm trying to show you a little close-up shot for that bracket. It's a little tight spot right there, so we need to pull this bracket down. Just like that, it's pulled down. Similar to that, there is one more bracket underneath that also needs to be pulled down. With both brackets pulled down, now we grab the top cover, lift it a little bit upwards and then slide it towards right side. Once you see the cover losing its grip, then we lift the cover upwards completely and there you see the engine air filter visible right there. We will pull this filter upwards just like that. And this is the kind of filter needed for this kind of car. In my case, the filter is good, so I will be installing it back. In your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, punch in the filter first, making sure all the angles are inside and not coming out. Seems like all the edges are completely in. Now to install the top cover back, notice there are two positions right there, one on the right and one on the left. And similar to those two positions, you see there are two tabs underneath the cover right there. So those two tabs that I'm pointing out towards you guys are actually need to be slided into those two positions right there. First, we put this cover down and we'll make sure it is sitting there properly. Then from this side, notice there is that spot right there. So we need to align that tab with respect to that position first and then slide that tab towards left side. Here I'm trying to push that cover towards left side so that that tab is completely in. The same needs to be done from behind as well. Notice there is that tab right there and we have to make sure it is slided towards left side into that position. Seems like both the tabs are completely in. Now we will come at the front and one more time confirm if this cover is completely down. Seems like top cover is in the perfect position. Now we will go ahead and put back those two clips. Starting from the first one right there, it's a little tight spot. You may have to work your way out because there's a huge wire in the middle holding onto it. There we got the first clip in place. Just like that, we got the second clip attached firm and strong. With that, we are done with the replacement of engine air filter. Now suppose you want to close the hood back. We gently lift the hood upwards and take out that support bar. Place the support bar where we took it out from earlier. We'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle. And to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.